Fifth graders, let's do this here. So this is page 192. This is 5-3, page 192, 5-3. All right. So first question here says Angelino is training for a long distance bicycle ride. He travels 15 miles each hour. How many hours will it take him to ride 210 miles? Well, how many times does 15 fit into 210? I'm going to let you do that one on your own. 13. Yeah, this is going to be a short video because these aren't that hard. 13. Higher order thinking. A rectangular doormat is 21 inches long and has an area of 714. Okay, so I'm going to draw. Here's our doormat. Okay. And the area is 714 square inches. So here's our doormat. Okay. And let's see. It's 21 inches long, so let's just call this side 21 inches. So what we don't know is this one. We don't know what that side is. So do you remember what how do you find what's in here? You would multiply these two together. Okay. So, but we don't know what this one is, so we need to divide 714 by 21. And so I'll let you do that one. And then you'll have your answer as to what goes up here. Okay. Number 14. It says, use the math. How much longer is the distance from the library to the park to the train station than the distance from the library straight to the train station? Okay, so we're going, if I can read this correctly here, from the library to the park to the train station. To the train station. So we need to figure out that distance. Then the distance from the library to straight to the train station. Straight to the train station. I'm going to let you figure that one out. So you're comparing these two distances here. And one is further than the other because they're asking you how much longer or how much further is the distance from the library park to the train station than the distance from the library straight to the train station. Okay? So I'll let you figure that one out. 15. If you walk from the train station, here's the train station. Okay, to the library, then to the park, okay, and then back to the train station. How many miles would you walk in all? So, now this is interesting. The way they phrased that, there's a couple different ways students could do this. So, from the train station to the library to the park and then back to the train station. Well, if you're going back to the train station, I'm going to assume most of us would probably go this way. But some of you might just reverse it. But I think they're talking about going this way. So write an equation to model your work. So miles, let's call M equals miles. So the miles equals from the train station to the library. Train station to the library is 3.82 plus, and then from the library to the park plus 2.14 plus, and then back to the train station. So again, I'm assuming we're going this way, 2.96. Equals. Oh, we already have an equal. So that's going to be M, whatever M is. You got to add those up. And there's your equation. So you got to solve for m. You got to add those up. Okay? Number 16. It says, explain how you can use the picture to show that 391 divided by 23 equals 17. Well, so 391 divided by 23 is 17. They give us the answer. Okay. So, explain how you can use the picture. So it's well, let's see here. 23 times 10 is 230. 23 times 7 is 161. So explain how you can use the picture. Well, I guess you'd write, I don't know, 23 times 10 equals 230. Then 23 times 7 equals 161. I'm being lazy there, writing the number. Yeah, right, that's good enough for me. I'm not. Some of these it's kind of hard to tell what they exactly want. All right, 17 and 18. You're on your own for those. Multiple choice. 16 rows of chairs in the auditorium. Each row has the same number of chairs. There are 512 chairs in all. How many chairs are there in each row? Well, divide that by that. Patio has an area of 286 square feet. If the length of the patio is 22 feet, what's the width? Well, divide 286 by 22. You'll have your answer. All right, short video. Like I said, this back page wasn't that hard. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm Jesse Cook, and I'll be